Hi, boys and girls. I hope all of you are fine. I'm Miss Prema, and I'm very glad to meet all of you here for a quick revision for the upcoming SPM 1119 English papers. These videos are made exclusively for 2020 SPM candidates, and I really hope that these videos could help most of you. Hi viewers, thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel to view more interesting videos that could benefit you. And also do like and share. Thank you. In this video, you will learn more about Paper 1, Section B, Continuous Writing. In SPM 1119 English Continuous Writing section, there are a few types of essays which will be given as choices. The types of essays commonly tested for continuous writing are narrative essays, descriptive essays, expository or factual essays, and argumentative or persuasive essays. Let's look in detail on how to write a narrative essay or a story. You can use this model to lay out your storyline, which begins with an exposition or an introduction, and then the story is followed by the conflict, and the conflict starts to rise until it reaches the peak, which is called the climax. Then the story starts to fall, where the conflict begins to solve and ends with a resolution or a conclusion. It is important to insert an interesting conflict and climax point to arouse the reader's interest. That will be a plus point to get better marks. And also, do not forget to avoid serious errors that could impede the process of reading by the reader and hamper the meaning of the sentence structure. To write a descriptive essay, you have to know the content, or else it is not advisable to choose a descriptive essay. You can use the Burger model to write a descriptive essay. You can write your essay in 5 paragraphs. The first will be the introduction, followed by 3 content or body paragraph, and ends it with a concluding paragraph. Usually the first paragraph consists of hook question, thesis statement, or problem statement. Hook questions are rhetorical questions. These questions will draw the reader's interest. The questions are not intended to find answer, but to arouse the interest. For the body paragraphs or the content paragraph, you can choose 3 different aspects to discuss on the chosen topic. Here are some suggestions of a few aspects that you can use in your descriptive essay. They are education, sports, weather or climate, environment, people, culture, science, technology, health, food, financial, consumerism, pollution, animals, ecosystem, and a lot more. For expository or factual essays, it is similar to descriptive essay. You are advised to choose the topic if you are familiar with the contents. Similarly, you can begin your first paragraph with a hook question to capture the reader's attention and also briefly state the three main content that you're going to discuss in the body paragraph. In the body paragraph, each paragraph should have a topic sentence explaining on a different aspect pertaining to the topic. And for the concluding paragraph, you should briefly restate the three main ideas without repeating the exact word, but in a different sentence structure. You also can end the essay with a strong statement or a proverb to show a strong appeal to the emotion. If you choose an argumentative essay or a persuasive essay, you should be well versed about the topic as you have to discuss on the pros and the cons. For this essay, you are advised to write in 5 paragraphs. Begin with an introduction, develop with 3 paragraphs of content which talks about the pros and cons, and also end it with a concluding paragraph mentioning your opinion, whether you agree or disagree. You can begin your first paragraph with a thesis statement or a problem statement and further explain about the issue or the topic in the first paragraph. In the body paragraph, you can talk about the good and the bad based on 3 different aspects, which I had stated in the descriptive essay explanation earlier. Based on the aspects, break them into the good and the bad aspects or the content and further explain by giving example for each aspects. For the concluding paragraph, summarize all the points by repeating in a different sentence structure and conclude by saying whether you agree or disagree with the topic. Continuous writing carries 50 marks. If you are targeting for a minimum of A minus, you should at least get 32 marks and above in this section. Look at the descriptors of C-band essay. Language is largely accurate. Sentences have some variety in length and type. Simple structures are error-free. Errors occurs with more ambitious structures. Vocabulary is wide enough to convey meaning but lack of precision. Punctuation in simple sentences are accurate, but errors occur in more complex use. Spelling of simple words are correct, but misspelled with more sophisticated words. Paragraphs show unity, at times inappropriately linked. Writing is relevant but lack of originality. Because of that, the interest is not aroused uh, because it is not sustained throughout the essay. So to sum up, if you see your essay, if it has 3 to 4 lines of clear patches, which means error-free, it means you fall in this band. So you can actually check on your trial paper how the teacher marked. If your teacher put the symbols where you can see some clear patches of 3 to 4 lines, it means you are in the C band. So here one thing should be very obvious. The errors are there, but the meaning is not hampered. So if you can save by reducing the number of errors, your marks can go more than this. Hi boys and girls, we have come to the end of continuous writing section quick revision for your 1119 English paper. I really hope my explanation on different types of essay for this continuous writing section is very helpful. Good luck and do well in your continuous writing. God bless you.